Hello guys, welcome to the ASTRO. So in this July tutorial on plotting, we will be customizing your scatter plot. So basically customizing a scatter plot means like how you can like plot multiple plots in a single figure, how you can change your colors, different you can give different colors to the different plots, how you can give marker size, how you can put legends at different places, and how you can associate the different uh, marker as diamond, say a rectangle, a square, circle, a star, etc. So let's do it. Okay, so first import your plots. So using plots. Now define your define your x data. So define your x data. So x you can give x equal to range, you can give say 0 to 10, and you want to give say 100 data points. So basically you can call it your length equal to 100. Now similarly you can give your y data. So you can give your say y1, you can give y1 equal to say cos dot x, and you can multiply with 5. So 5 into x. Now similarly you can give y2 equal to 6 into sine dot x, and in the same way you can also give y3 equal to 5 into sine x, and then plus sine dot x plus cos dot x. Okay, so this you got like three variables depends on x. Now you want to plot it. Okay, so plot. Okay, so plot the scatter. Now so plot, you pass your say x and you pass your y. Okay, and then give series type equal to that scatter and run it. So y is not defined, so there should be y1. Now run it. Okay, so here you have a simple scatter plot of x, y1. Now suppose you want to add another plot in that. So for that just go here and make a square bracket and give here y2. Now run it. Okay, so you can see that here also your second plot has been added. Now suppose you want to like add one more plot in that. So for that just type here plot and give sign of exclamation and then x, and you can give your say y3 and same series type here y3 and series type a scatter. Now run it. Okay, so you can see that you have like three plots drawn simultaneously on a single plot. Now suppose you want to customize it, means like you want to give different color. Okay, so shape. So marker shape equal to, you can give here say diamond. Okay, so you can see that your marker shape has been changed. You can also give it to a star. So a star. So your marker shape has been changed to a star. Okay, this way you can do. Now you can also give label to these plots. You can also control the line width of these plots. So you can give it say 4, then 6. Turn it. So maybe you can increase to 10. So this way you can change. Basically there should be marker size. Okay, you can see that yours has been changed. Now you can give label. Okay, so label you can give here label. So label equal to, you can give your say 5 into cos x, and then second is your 6 into cos x. Now, and you can also give label to this. Label equal to, you can give, just copy this expression and paste here. Now run it. Okay, so here you can see that here your legend has been plotted. You can also like change the position of the legend. So for that, okay, so plot legend. For that, type command plot sign of exclamation and then give, then type command legend position equal to legend equal to such that its location you can give say outer top. Now run it. So outer top, or maybe you can also give here like how it's how to put in the row or column wise. So legend columns equal to say 3. Can also put here outer bottom. So you can see here, change it to 1. Maybe you need to put these things in the latter portion to, okay, so here you can see that your legend has been put at the bottom of the plot, means it is at outer bottom. You can make it say outer top. Okay, so here it has been put there. You can also make it to, let's see how it appears. So it is like two rows and column. Make it 3. So it is getting flat in a single row. This way you can customize your legend location and row column. Now you can also give a label to these plots. So xy label and title. So xlabel, you can give xlabel sign of exclamation, and you can say here x data. Similarly, so just copy it, and for the y, change x to y label and y data, run it. So you got your x label and y label. You can also plot title. So title, now give it say a scatter plotting. Now run it. Okay, so here you can see that you have like different type of plots, different type of scatter plot. One have say marker size, red color, another is like different color, and another is blue color. Okay, and also you have given say a star, you have given dots, circle, etc, and also you have learned how to give different marker shape, marker size and color, and how to give label and how to put legend. So I hope you got the idea that how to customize your scatter plot in Julia with simple coding. So thank you.